You're bidding on a Sioux valve resurfacing machine. This is a model 680. This came out of a local school. They closed their shop program a while ago. This has been sitting in a warehouse for a long time. We blew off the dust, but it's gonna need, cleaning. Motor is really quiet. I don't know if you can hear that or not. I'm gonna turn this thing off because it's gonna keep spinning for at least, 2 minutes or more. We can't get this thing to work. The motor looks fresh, it turns, but we press the button on it, nothing happens. You'll notice that this thing is still running. Cabinet is in terrific shape, as found condition. I don't know what all this stuff is. I know that's a pump. That's some kind of bracket. That's some kind of a tool. Another tool. Locks. See, the motor is still spinning. Motor just stopped. The controls, all the stuff moves. This is to work on the back end of the valves. Needs a good cleaning. This surface, this will clean up to like new condition. This is just, here's the motor. I unscrewed these earlier. It turns, you can see the motor is this, normally you look at this stuff and it's all crapped up for years of use, but like this is the original motor. The stuff hasn't been cleaned or taken apart. You could see it's all in nice shape. This hasn't been in a production shop where it's been used for 30 years continually. This is all surfaced. The kids at the school ran this cross feed out, so it needs to put those back on their guides. I bought a drum lathe from them, and they did the same thing. The kids just had to unscrew and play with everything, so this goes back on those tracks. It's not a big deal. But we don't work on anything, so whatever it is, this is a real nice vintage piece in as found condition. You might want to consider this something like a barn find, where it was just sitting and not being used for a lot of years. That's what it is. Very nice piece. Good luck bidding.